Hey, you guys could hear, probably hear this. 135. Going by right now. CALSTAR. Going pretty low. And that's landing. You guys remember my other video that I made the other day when I went to the helipad with my friend? That's the place it's landing at, right there. I can still hear it. I don't know if you guys could hear it on my phone. But my phone has shitty audio and stuff. That's why I want to get a better phone. Like a Samsung Galaxy or some shit like that. Better one that has better quality on the camera and better audio. That's it. But yeah, I can still hear it from my point. It's like barely touching down. Yeah, that's just a little flyby of CALSTAR at night. It's like it's 11 right now actually. Sometimes it lands at 1 in the morning and takes off like at 3 in the morning. Crazy once it woke me up. But yeah. As you see the apartments right there. Yes, you can see my dog for shit. When I record a video when it's taking off, it might come down low. But yeah, CALSTAR's pretty cool. I'm a big airplane fan and helicopter fan. That's why I usually like record the helicopters. Yeah. Anyways, you guys like and subscribe. See you guys all next time.